Hello, all of my friends. Today we are discussing about anatomy and physiology, important 30 questions and answers. Page 4. First question. What is the largest vein in the brain? Option A, internal cerebral vein. Option B, tibial vein. Option C, femoral vein. Option D, great cerebral vein. And correct answer is option D, great cerebral vein. Next question. Which is the joint between the first cervical vertebra and occipital bone? Option A, intermetatarsal joint. Option B, tibiofibular joint. Option C, hip joint. Option D, atlanto-occipital joint. And correct answer is option D, atlanto-occipital joint. Next question. Cytology means option A, replacing a failing heart. Option B, study of individual cells in the human body. Option C, disorders of the skeletal system. Option D, conversion of cartilage to bone. And correct answer is option B, study of individual cells in the human body. Next question. The major bone at the posterior aspect of the base of the skull is option A, vomer. Option B, occipital. Option C, mandible. Option D, zygomatic. And correct answer is option B, occipital. Next question. The main function of the skeletal system is option A, protection. Option B, support. Option C, bone marrow transplant. Option D, conversion of cartilage to bone. And correct answer is option A, protection. Next question. The innermost layer of the ureters is the option A, rogi. Option B, bladder neck. Option C, mucosa. Option D, serosa. And correct answer is option C, mucosa. Next question. Contractile proteins, we mean thin filament of skeletal muscle, is called option A, lumen. Option B, vacuole. Option C, actin. Option D, myosin. And correct answer is option C, actin. Next question. What is monopubis? Option A, separate cell from one another. Option B, patty of fatty tissue over the symphysis pubis in the female. Option C, group of nerve fibers in the CNS. Option D, eye socket. And correct answer is option B, pad of fatty tissue over the symphysis pubis in the female. Next question. The apex of each renal pyramid end in the option A, papilla. Option B, calyx. Option C, fibrous capsule. Option D, renal pelvis. And correct answer is option A, papilla. Next question. What is the heart murmurs? Option A, heart beating too fast. Option B, abnormal heart sound. Option C, heart beating too slow. Option D, heart beating irregular. And correct answer is option B, abnormal heart sound. Next question. Group of similar cells that performs a specialized function called option A, synapse. Option B, sphincter. Option C, tissue. Option D, thalamus. And correct answer is option C, tissue. Next question. The partially digested food and gastric juice mixture leaving the stomach is called option A, chyme, option B, chyle, option C, corpus callosum, option D, cortical sulci. And correct answer is option A, chyme. Next question. What is meaning of deglutition? Option A, cessation of breathing. Option B, protection against pregnancy. Option C, the cavity which holding the brain. Option D, the process of swallowing, particularly of swallowing food. And the correct answer is option D, the process of swallowing, particularly of swallowing food. Next question. Total intercostal space muscle is option A, 8 pairs, option B, 11 pairs, option C, 12 pairs, option D, 14 pairs. And correct answer is option B, 11 pairs. Next question. What is the osseous tissue? Option A, 3 fluid containing membranes. Option B, outer layer the lines the vertebral canal. Option C, a bone tissue. Option D, formation of bone from a different tissue. And correct answer is option C, a bone tissue. Next question. Normal pulse rate of human body is option A, 72 beats per minute. Option B, 48 beats per minute. Option C, 120 beats per minute. Option D, 132 beats per minute. And correct answer is option A, 72 beats per minute. Next question. Passageway between the oral cavity and the esophagus is called option A, pharynx, option B, nostril, option C, trachea, option D, uvula. And correct answer is option A, pharynx. Next question. Size of red blood cell is option A, 3 micrometer, option B, 5 micrometer, option C, 7 micrometer, option D, 12 micrometer. And correct answer is option C, 7 micrometer. Next question. Blood cell formation is called option A, monocyte, option B, thrombus, option C, embolus, option D, hemopoiesis. And correct answer is option D, hemopoiesis. Next question. Which of the following is in the correct sequence? Option A, digestion, absorption, assimilation, ingestion. Option B, ingestion, assimilation, digestion, absorption. Option C, digestion, ingestion, assimilation, absorption. Option D, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. And correct answer is option D, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. Next question. What is the opening between the esophagus and the stomach called? Option A, esophageal atresia. Option B, esophageal manometry. Option C, esophageal hiatus. Option D, esophageal sphincter. And correct answer is option D, esophageal sphincter. Next question. What is the total number of muscle in human body? Option A, 453. Option B, 639. Option C, 590. Option D, 728. And correct answer is option B, 639. Next question. Which layer contains sweat gland, sebaceous gland and hair follicles in human being? Option A epidermis, option B dermis, option C hypodermis, option D stratum bacilli. And correct answer is option B dermis. Next question. Where is skin the thinnest on a human body? Option A eyebrow, option B pupil, option C iris, option D eyelids. And correct answer is option D eyelids. Next question. What's normal cardiac output at rest in human body? Option A 8 liters of blood per minute, option B 3 liters of blood per minute, option C 5 liters of blood per minute, option D 2 liters of blood per minute. And correct answer is option C 5 liters of blood per minute. Next question. What is the fibrin? Option A fibrous blood protein that forms a blood clot, option B a soluble protein, option C triangular section of lungs, option D extension of hook. And correct answer is option A fibrous blood protein that forms a blood clot. Next question. Leukocyte is option A red blood cells, option B plasma, option C white blood cells, option D platelets. And correct answer is option C white blood cells. Next question. What is the meaning of the hypoxia? Option A blood pressure is not stable, option B liver disease, option C high fever, option D lack of oxygen supply to the tissues. And correct answer is option D lack of oxygen supply to the tissues. Next question. Midbrain is part of the option A cerebellum, option B brainstem, option C cerebral hemisphere, option D parietal lobe. And correct answer is option B brainstem. Next question. A connective tissue layer covering the surface of cartilage is called option A perichondrium, option B mitosis, option C oocyte, option D orbit. And correct answer is option A perichondrium.